Because we're seduced by incompetence, especially in men. The very traits that make people leaders also make them less effective as leaders. Things like overconfidence, charisma, and narcissism. So when people display these traits, we're like, wow, they have leadership potential. Actually, those are the very individuals we should not promote for leadership roles. So if we can distrust our instincts and use science-based assessments and data, then we can fix it, not just improve the quality of leaders, but also help more women get to leadership roles. But, it will take some time for HR to have the humility to accept this. What's interesting about personality is that we tend to focus a lot on people who display extreme characteristics. And actually, to tell somebody that they're average or moderate is almost an insult today, because we live in a narcissistic world where everyone wants to feel that they're special and they stand out. The more extreme your personality profile, the more difficult it is for you to be an effective leader. So things like extreme extraversion is manifested as attention-seeking, exhibitionism, and then you don't focus on others. Things like extreme attention detail turns into OCD, obsessionality, and micromanaging others. And things like extreme emotionality makes you passion, but so intense that you're overbearing and overwhelming for others. So really, as Aristotle said, all things are best in moderation, except moderation itself.